Today we're driving from Fort Worth to Midland, Texas to provide a PA system for a school fundraiser. It's getting hotter here in Texas, plus my kid gave me hand, foot, and mouth about 10 days ago, so we're dealing with that today too. Sure is green out here.
Yeah, it is.
I don't think we need the cable ramps. What about you? Yeah, I don't think we need them. I gotta throw these cable ramps out.
Backup rack?
Yep, backup stands. I'm gonna take these apart. I'm gonna put the stands on them, stand bases. Brand new. Hopefully I didn't break anything. Leave the wired one in here for now. One less thing to take in there. You can walk up.
Are you sure?
Absolutely, we're gonna be here a while. When you're not close, it's just easier to take everything. Look at that. There we go. Please don't fall over. These are the ones I'm worried about. Oh gosh, this isn't gonna work. This stinks. We're just not gonna do that for these. I'm going this way. I thought that wouldn't be that difficult. There's really no great way to get back there. Whew. Wow. These are all real nice. Wow. Woo, this is hard. This one's the heaviest. I'm gonna put these plates down. That's 80 pounds right there. We're all good. Not perfect, but it'll work. There we go. Have it fall over again. Too much weight on that. Okay. Now, I guess the challenge is finding a flat spot. Well, it is when there's no speakers on there. I suppose we could use the stands. That might be safer.
Not the best for outside, guys. Yeah, we're gonna get the other tripods. Yeah. Whoa. I don't know how long that is, how far that is. Whoa. Oh boy, it's very breakable. Yeah, I need help. All right, got it. I thought there was more coverage. Yeah. Our, I guess our Wi-Fi will go through this. Yeah, there's no power coming from this. There we go, it just wasn't turned on. And it's green. There it goes. No kidding. Good. I'm just gonna run the power from here to there. I don't know why I'm doing these first. It's the other ones I'm worried about. Okay. I'm just gonna daisy chain these fellas. It's just barely not flat. That one likes to be put in hard. That one's kind of cattywampus too. There we go. It's a new one. Cool. Should be fine. I just don't know why it looks like that. I think we should just take probably a 50-foot twin cable. I needed to keep that. So we're just gonna go under here, under this table, that we're gonna tape the shit out of. That's a lot. I got it. You just need to fill it. All right. Gotta do what you gotta do. Woo! This is very messy. Okay, never mind. I think now this I'm a little bit worried about at the moment, you know. We're good. And this is another thing I'm worried about, people tripping on this. Clouds. You don't think people be walking in this, right? No.
Is that for the Wi-Fi or the fan? Or both?
I think both. We'll see. I mean, it'll be high, that's for sure. What are you smiling at? All right. Never been more unorganized. Hey. Hey, check 1, 2, hey, hey. All right, let's go where it's darker. Hey, check. Hey, hey. Hey, check, 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 hey, hey. Hey, check 1, 2, hey, hey. Hey, 1, 2, check, check, hey, hey. Hey, hey. Lift those up and see what it sounds like. All right, check. Betty, is that loud? Can you hear me?
That's perfect.
Is it better than last year? All right. I don't even think it needs to be delayed, maybe a little bit.
I don't think it
Hey, check 1, 2, hey, hey. All right, Matt, I'm running you a line right now, so we can just test it out. There we go. Cool. Come on around here.
Now, where is his computer?
Over there. We'll have a little bit of excess, but you see?
Better, the light's better this way.
Whoa. All right. So you'll just be sitting over here all night?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's my plan.
Good. Think this is gonna get tripped over? Okay, we'll see. I wish he had another table for him or something. Like a TV tray or something.
Yeah.
You think they have a TV tray or something for you?
Do what now?
Like a TV tray for you to put your computer
I might bring
on?
one.
Yeah,
Oh, that might be better.
yeah. It's not getting anything.
What's that?
Yeah, it's like just distortion. There we go.
Thanks for supporting. Thanks for being here tonight. Bye.
I needed to use the ground lift, but that's works. Let's try, let's see how different they are. So I've turned it up all the way on your end, so you don't need to adjust that.
And tell us about his math and history and reading.
Yeah, they're a little bit
And,
different.
He's got a smile
But I'll
on
be
his
here to,
face.
I'll just turn it down.
The biggest
Yeah.
change that we've seen is that I've
All
seen
right.
is calm.
I don't know where we're gonna put all this.
It's time.
It's time, it's getting close.
Okay.
I don't know what specific time, but
It's all right.
yeah,
We better do it now.
okay, you wanna do it?
On or
okay.
off?
It's on?
Thank you so much for doing our
Yeah.
sound. Our sound, I don't know if you
Remember, keep it close to your mouth.
collected year after year. I want to take a moment to express my gratitude to my wonderful committee whose tireless efforts have made this event possible. Thank you so much.
Are we ready for round 4? You will need a
So tired.
G53. G53.
Terrible last year. Terrible.
I'm glad it was better.
These little tiny mics.
Oh.
And they just would go out and in, and
Yeah.
it was terrible.
I'm glad we did a better job.
Made all the difference.
Oh, shit. The fucking sprinklers are on. This soaked. Yeah. Need to get a towel. We're just not gonna be able to make that pretty anyways tomorrow. That's like the only way we can do this job. Yeah, Betty.
Awesome.
We're glad we could help. What's wrong? Yeah. Not really, not with the
With the partition?
partition. All right, keep it rolling.